Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to integrate Asana with Google Sheets quickly and easily, perfect for syncing your project data and simplifying your workflow. First, go to Asana's website and log in using your email and password. Next, once you're on your homepage, select the project you want to work with. Click on it to open the project view. After that, click the Customize button in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the Apps section. Now click Add and look for Google Sheets in the list. Select it, then click Learn More to open the integration page. Hit Install Google Sheets for Asana to begin. To complete the setup, scroll to the Getting Started section and click the link provided. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click Install on the Asana Exports app. Choose your Google account, click Continue, and grant the necessary permissions. Once confirmed, click Done. Now open Google Sheets and go to any spreadsheet. Click on Extensions at the top, then select Asana Exports and choose Sync with Asana. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.